Hello everybody, hey to all my beautiful friends. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. If you are the followers of Warcraft or Warcraft World, or you have a project related to this game, for instance, if you have design projects like social media banners designs, or YouTube banners, or advertisement posters, competition posters, or any other design which has a relation with this game, I suggest you to watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you how you can turn your text or logo into this Warcraft style Reforged version. So if you want to download this template, just need to refer to hyperpix.net. And in our website we have all different versions which are templates of Warcraft, World of Warcraft, all different versions, also the game of Warcraft itself, which you can use them as you see in this video. So let's get started and see how we can work with this amazing template. So to edit the main text, you just need to right click on the gallery layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, you just need to double click and type your ideal text. It's so easy to do it with any phone or any language. It doesn't matter what it is, you can just type it and there's no limits, so totally free. I'm also going to show you on another language at the end of the video. For instance, I'm going to type Warcraft right here. I'm going to type the C in capital, just like the original design of Warcraft. This was the difference which I made right here. I'm going to save and close the window and wait till my style is applied on this logo. So as you see right here, how beautiful and professional and also realistic our text is converted, and just like the original logo. Our designers have spent so much time, so this design has the most similarity to the main logo, and as you see, the so exact and complete details, and as you see, our text is turned into this logo now. So I'm going to explain the rest of the logo so you're familiar with them. And the first step, I suggest you to just come to the effects folder and just switch extrusion off. So it's much more easier to work with this template, as it's a complicated template and has many layers. We come back finally and switch it back on. The adjustments folder is the settings of the brightness and contrast, which you can just adjust them and play around with them. So this layer is the text right here, the editing the text right here, which you can in the original logo we have the version of the game, which you can type it right here, but you can type any other text you want right here. You're totally free. So you can also change the font or lessen or increase the letter space. What you see right now is based on the original style. It's exactly like that. So the effects contains the main styles and the main layers, and I suggest you to just ignore this folder. The highlights folder is this highlight which you see on the text, just like the main logo. You can switch it off or just leave it remaining. So the next part is the shield folder, which has 3 sections which are separate, all of them. The first layer is the shield itself. The second layer, if you pay attention, is the bottom shield in the bottom part, which you can also move it around. It's totally separate and you're totally free. Also, the third part is this number 3 at the back, just like the main logo of Warcraft, which you can also remove it or just move it around and adjust it. So in the background, which is in separate layers, we have the sparks right here, which are these like particles and sparks, which you see from the bottom right here, which also you can switch it off. Also we have another pack of sparks right here. Highlights is this little blue warm colors you see at the bottom right here. So the next part is a smoke, which you see this smoke and steam in the background. And the final part is the sky, which you see at the back right here. So as you saw, as easy as you saw, we was able to turn our text into the style of this game. You can use any other text you want and have a beautiful Warcraft logo as you see. Finally, I'm going to switch the extrusion folder back on so we can have our final result right here. So we're done right here, we're done with editing. If you wanted to design this logo yourself, you might have had to spend so many hours of your precious time to get to something similar to this. And also it needs a lot of knowledge and profession to design this, but you was able to get to what you wanted in less than 5 minutes and turn it to Warcraft logo. So now I'm going to show you how you can work with this logo on different languages. So I'm not going to take your time. I've got it ready from before. I'm just going to open the folder and show you how beautiful it looks on Japanese. So as you see right here, just see how attractive it's like. Warcraft itself, they've designed this for the Japanese version. It's so attractive and professional. So I suggest you to download this file and refer to hyperpix.net, and by joining the VIP account and getting the membership, you can access this text effect and hundreds of different text effects from games to movies, famous movies, and in all different subjects. Like we have graffiti, 80s, chrome, and so many different styles which you're going to be impressed. You can access all of them and use them in your personal and commercial projects without needing to mention us in your project. So thanks for watching this video. Try to subscribe our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos and projects. Bye to our next video.